Have you ever found yourself tossing and turning, unable to drift off into peaceful slumber no matter how hard you try? Maybe you've scrolled endlessly on your phone, hoping to bore yourself to sleep, or even tried counting sheep, only to have those fluffy troublemakers turn into an endless parade that keeps you awake even longer. You're not alone. Millions of people battle sleepless nights, and for many the solution lies in a bottle of sleeping pills. But let's face it, sleeping pills come with baggage, grogginess, dependency, and sometimes even worse sleep in the long run. But what if the solution wasn't in your medicine cabinet, but in your kitchen instead? Yes, you heard that right. Certain foods have incredible natural sleep-inducing properties that can rival and even outshine the effects of sleeping pills. These aren't just boring health foods either. They're delicious, satisfying, and have no side effects other than better sleep, and possibly some late-night cravings fulfilled. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around as we explore 7 amazing foods that can help you sleep better, naturally. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to eat to wake up refreshed, energized, and ready to take on the day. 1. Cherries, a natural source of melatonin. Let's start with cherries, those small, vibrant red gems that pack a big punch. Cherries are one of the few natural sources of melatonin, a hormone that signals to your brain that it's time to wind down. Melatonin regulates your sleep-wake cycle, but thanks to our modern lifestyle filled with artificial light and stress, your body's melatonin production can easily get thrown off track. Tart cherries, in particular, are the heroes here. Studies show that drinking tart cherry juice can significantly improve sleep quality, increase sleep duration, and even alleviate symptoms of insomnia. In one study, participants who drank tart cherry juice twice a day slept nearly 90 minutes longer than those who didn't. Imagine how that extra hour and a half of sleep could revolutionize your mornings. Why they work. Beyond melatonin, cherries are loaded with antioxidants like anthocyanins, which reduce inflammation and support overall health. Chronic inflammation can mess with your sleep by increasing discomfort and disrupting your body's natural rhythms, so the anti-inflammatory properties of cherries work double duty to give you better rest. How to use them. A handful of fresh cherries in the evening makes a delightful and light dessert. Prefer something more indulgent? Blend tart cherry juice with a touch of honey and ice for a refreshing nightcap. Just make sure it's unsweetened to avoid late-night sugar spikes. 2 bananas, nature's sleep elixir. Bananas might just be the ultimate bedtime snack. Why? They're packed with potassium and magnesium, 2 essential minerals that help relax your muscles and calm your nervous system. Ever feel that restless tension in your body that keeps you awake? That's your cue to reach for a banana, but there's more. Bananas are also rich in tryptophan, an amino acid that your body converts into serotonin and then into melatonin. This 1-2 punch of calming serotonin and sleep-inducing melatonin makes bananas a natural sleep aid. The science behind it: potassium. Not only helps relax your muscles, but also regulates your blood pressure, which can prevent nighttime anxiety or restlessness. Magnesium, meanwhile, acts as a natural muscle relaxant and helps quiet your mind by binding to GABA receptors in your brain, the same receptors targeted by prescription sleep medications. How to use them. Pair a banana with a spoonful of peanut or almond butter for a satisfying snack that feels indulgent but works wonders for your sleep. Want to make it extra comforting? Try mashing a banana into warm oatmeal and topping it with a sprinkle of cinnamon. This combination not only tastes like dessert, but sets you up for a night of deep, uninterrupted sleep. 3. Kiwi, the sleep-friendly superfruit. Kiwi might not be the first fruit that comes to mind when you think of sleep, but this small green wonder deserves a spot in your bedtime routine. Research has shown that eating kiwi can improve not only the amount of time you sleep, but also the quality of your sleep. Why it works. Kiwi is rich in serotonin, the neurotransmitter responsible for regulating mood and sleep. If you're someone whose mind races at night, serotonin can help calm those thoughts and pave the way for relaxation. Kiwi is also loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C and vitamin E, which reduce oxidative stress, a common cause of poor sleep. One fascinating study found that eating 2 kiwis an hour before bed led to a 35% improvement in sleep quality and a 42% reduction in the time it took to fall asleep. That's a significant boost, all from a fruit that fits neatly into your palm. How to use them? Slice a kiwi in half and scoop it out with a spoon for a quick and mess-free snack. If you want to elevate it, toss sliced kiwi with a drizzle of honey and a sprinkle of chia seeds. This simple dessert is not only delicious, but also packs a powerful punch for your sleep. 4 almonds, the sleep-supporting nut. Almonds aren't just a healthy snack for energy during the day. They're also your ally at night. Packed with magnesium, almonds are a natural way to relax your muscles and lower stress levels, both of which are crucial for falling asleep. Magnesium is known to support the production of melatonin, helping regulate your body's internal clock. Even a small deficiency in magnesium can result in poor sleep, so adding almonds to your diet can be a simple fix. Beyond sleep, almonds are also rich in healthy fats and protein, which stabilize blood sugar levels overnight. This can prevent those 3 a.m. wake-up calls caused by a sudden dip in blood sugar. How to use them? Snack on a small handful of almonds an hour before bed. For a cozier option, warm up some almond milk and add a pinch of nutmeg. This creamy drink feels indulgent but works to lull you to sleep naturally. 5. Walnuts, the brain-boosting sleep aid. Walnuts are not only a delicious snack, but also a powerful ally for better sleep. These brain-shaped nuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory and brain health benefits. But their sleep-enhancing properties lie in their ability to naturally boost melatonin levels. Why they work? Walnuts contain alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that your body converts into DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. DHA in turn increases serotonin production, which is then converted into melatonin. Additionally, walnuts provide magnesium and antioxidants, which help calm the nervous system and promote relaxation. The science. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that regular consumption of walnuts can improve the duration and quality of sleep, especially in people with sleep disorders. They help your body achieve a state of balance, which is critical for restorative sleep. How to use them? Enjoy a small handful of raw or roasted walnuts before bedtime. For a creative twist, mix crushed walnuts with Greek yogurt and a drizzle of honey for a creamy, dreamy dessert that supports your sleep. 6. Oats, a warm bowl of comfort. Oats are often thought of as a breakfast staple, but they're equally powerful as a bedtime snack. Rich in complex carbohydrates, oats help increase the production of serotonin, the calming neurotransmitter that sets the stage for sleep. Why they're great for sleep? Oats are loaded with tryptophan, the same sleep-inducing amino acid found in bananas. Additionally, they contain magnesium and B vitamins, both of which help relax the nervous system and combat stress. What makes oats particularly special is their ability to stabilize blood sugar levels, ensuring you don't wake up in the middle of the night due to hunger or energy crashes. How to use them? A warm bowl of oatmeal with a sprinkle of cinnamon, chopped nuts and a touch of honey can be the ultimate nighttime comfort food. Prefer a drink? Blend oats with almond milk, banana and a dash of nutmeg for a creamy smoothie that will have you snoozing in no time. 7. Passionfruit, the tropical sleep superfruit. Passionfruit may seem exotic, but it's a sleep-inducing superstar worth adding to your routine. This vibrant fruit contains harmon alkaloids, a compound that has natural sedative properties and can help calm the nervous system. The science of passionfruit. Passionfruit is also rich in vitamin C, which combats oxidative stress and supports the immune system. But its real magic lies in its ability to relax your mind and body, making it easier to drift into sleep. It's a natural way to soothe anxiety or tension that might keep you awake at night. Why it's effective? The pulp of passionfruit has a unique ability to promote relaxation without making you feel groggy the next morning. Unlike sleeping pills, which can disrupt your sleep architecture, Passionfruit gently supports the body's natural sleep processes. How to use it. Scoop out the juicy pulp and seeds and eat it as is, or mix it with plain yogurt for a tropical bedtime snack. For a luxurious treat, drizzle passionfruit pulp over vanilla ice cream. It's indulgent, yet soothing. Practical tips for using these foods. While these foods are amazing on their own, combining them can amplify their effects. For example, make a sleepy time smoothie with bananas, kiwi, and almond milk. Enjoy a sleep-boosting trail mix of almonds, walnuts, and dried tart cherries. Prepare a soothing dessert bowl with oatmeal, passion fruit, and a sprinkle of crushed walnuts. Timing matters. To get the most out of these foods, aim to eat them about an hour before bed. This gives your body enough time to digest and absorb the nutrients that will help you sleep. Pair them with good sleep hygiene. Even the best sleep-inducing foods won't work miracles if your lifestyle disrupts your natural rhythms. Make sure to pair these foods with a consistent bedtime routine, limited screen time in the evening, and a relaxing environment. Who needs sleeping pills when nature offers such delicious alternatives? By incorporating these 7 foods into your evening routine, you can say goodbye to tossing and turning and hello to deep restorative sleep. The beauty of these natural remedies is that they not only help you sleep better, but also nourish your body with essential nutrients that support overall health. So the next time sleep seems out of reach, don't reach for a pill. Reach for a banana, a handful of cherries, or a comforting bowl of oatmeal. Sweet dreams start with the right choices, and with these foods, you're well on your way to sleeping like a baby. Which of these foods will you try tonight? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and share this video to help others discover the secret to better sleep.